Alright guys, we have rear wheels are off. He's got the lug nuts off. They also have a locking style lug nut, which we got off with a fancy tool. The rear parking brakes were not connected. This one seems to be not connected as well.
Hi everybody! Yeah.
Now today we're gonna get these on. So we got perches, springs, and shocks. So the front's already on. They look awesome. They're pretty much bottomed out right now, but we're also gonna get the exhaust cut off today, or should I say tonight? And we're also gonna weld the diff up.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that.
The word need is ooh.
Oh my god. Look at that. You think somebody stripped that on at some point? Do you think it's just that rusty?
It's never been off. I don't think that's coming off.
You know, the good news is none of y'all have to deal with this. Oh, it's coming off. I'm about to show y'all how too.
I think it's gonna be a miracle if he does that.
Really bad.
Good news is there isn't any good news. I don't think. Oh yeah, that's too big for that hole. So we're gonna have to change this washer or wallow out that hole. Well, Shelby just cut new threads.
So I'll teach y'all, I'm gonna teach y'all a trick. If you're ever scared of something, wide open throttle and don't let out. Because when you let out, that's when you mess up. Listen, this is the LSC model. So I did the research. The LSC has 15 more horsepower.
Oh.
Yeah, it does. So it makes 295, and normal only makes 280.
Wow.
And then also it comes with a 327 rear gear instead of a 307.
Feels like it makes 100 horsepower.
Yeah. Well, dude, I want people to have a sweet ride, dude. This thing's...
That's true.
Oh yeah, hold on, I gotta undo the sway bar as well. There is an individual.
Oh, we're on your ass like flies on shit right now.
We will. We'll drop the information on who you are, okay? If you really want to do the research, go back to the comments. The only negative comment we have. And their name is a car, and it's a terrible one. So hating on this was
oh yeah, they got like a lesbian mobile.
Yes.
The dang Subaru.
Was kind of a shocker that someone would hate
Not
on
even
this.
an STI.
It was like the world's worst Subaru.
He's like, what a shitty car? I'm like, you drive a shitty car.
Okay, listen, professionals do this. If you're not a professional
Boing.
and you're not retarded, don't do this.
She's out.
Okay, there we go, folks.
Oh, that makes sense where it goes now. There's a little indentation, or what do you call that?
God.
Alignment, dowel pin?
Look
Alignment
at this,
pin?
y'all. This is horrible. Somebody else was having a lot of fun with this car.
Are the...
That's my grandpappy's. I want them back. The lowers feel good on it. I don't think there's a point in changing these.
No, it looks good.
So we're running into a couple of obstacles installing this. Oops.
Oh my god, I almost got punched in the face. Number one is this.
It didn't come with instructions. They just assume guys like us automatically know. Oh, dude, look, smaller things, I think.
Oh, maybe. That might help.
Yeah, that might
this
help.
situation.
Let's see. What? We'll definitely have to look at that.
Why can't we grind this down a little bit?
This is smaller.
It's probably easier to grind this down than do anything else.
This is Lee, dude. This is our $50 winner right here, the decal kit.
And then this goes up there. Boop. Perfect.
Okay, and then this goes on the bottom.
Yep.
None of it wants to fit, right? Okay. There we go. Sweet.
And we're done.
My eyes!
Oh no.
We promote safety. Safety first. Which one was it? It was this one, right?
Ooh!
I believe there's a washer on. All jokes aside, they look good.
They actually do, dude. I'm cool with it. I don't think they're terrible.
Sweet new spring. Look at that. That did not fit like a glove, but
No, it did not fit like a glove. It'll be easy for the next guy, just not us. Keep this motherfucker like up here. Like, hold it for just a second while I. Give me a washer. Any washers? Somebody's washer. There we go. Okay. And then we got this one and this. Sure, we already have another car in mind.
to do with it this time. He's gonna pick everything.
This time we're picking. It's a car that I've said before I'm not a fan of. Yeah, you're about to see it. Ridiculous. What a turd. Dude, so we got everything. We figured out why the car was not lowered. We were idiots. Everything was in a bind, so now we got it set up. So now we're doing away with the mufflers. We're gonna.
I didn't want them anyway. I mean,
Yeah, they're pretty rotten, so.
the whole exhaust is gonna be replaced.
Put it about equal with the other side. Bring it over here, so.
I think it's right there.
Yeah, like right there. Nice.
What do you drive this thing in? Freaking mud?
Yeah.
There you go. That was off.
Wow.
Check out the hole on that thing.
We got the 9-iron on that baby. I said we get some really rad lug nuts. Dude, you know people love rad lug nuts.
Little spiky ones.
God, not the spikes.
Alright, moment of truth. What's that gap at? Oh, wow.
So much better.
It's equal with the front.
So much better.
It's right on the tire, just like the front.
Holy moly, dude, this thing is mega slam. Let's see what she sounds like now.
Oh yeah, no mufflers now.
Sound any better?
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah.
Dude, it looks really, really good.
Yes.
Start focusing on some of that dumb.
And we appreciate your guys' trust because y'all see the vision. This thing's gonna be really sick after we're done. And we're almost there. How many subscribers we have?
Almost 400. We've
Guys.
literally gotten 50 a day almost. If
Guys,
not
that's
more, it
crazy.
just depends on what day it is.
Keeps going like this, we just keep making free cars for people.
Yeah, that'd be sick, dude. I'd have such a good time doing that.
They're not the nicest cars, but hey, they're gonna be functional.
Hey, for somebody who hasn't ever had a V8 muscle car, it's pretty cool if you just want it for free.
Or, you know, a car you can slide around pretty easy. The wild Stephanus came out the woods.
You ready to see her stuff?
Breathing so much better.
That was pretty good. I'm doing that thing. Oh yeah, dude!
They did it.
Woo! Sound like he just broke it, of course. Squatch Destroyer. Like a 95 Trans Am coming down the road. We went down there, I said, man, you really trust these brakes, don't you? He goes, brakes are good. Y'all put some real ones in there?
Yeah, because of education.
Oh, sweet. That helped a lot.
I'm fixing a lot of the vacuum leaks too.
Oh, man.
Shit has power.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
Dude,
it's never done that.
The exhaust or something was fucking up because that bitch is moving now.
Alright guys, you see it. We got it all complete. We got the suspension in the rear sorted out. Everything's even as far as height goes. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all the drop on our new videos. This is us signing out. Sina.
Shelby. First, guys, safety first, always. Remember that when you're grinding. That's all I can say.